Welcome, everyone, to another episode of In the Divide, where we're bringing everything crypto together. Good to see you on another day. I'm here because I'm so excited. I'm excited. You should like to see me excited, because if I'm excited, I got news for you. And I don't got just and news. I got thumbs up, good news. So I'm really excited. So please, people who come by the page, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, bang it out for me, hit the like button if you like the information. If you don't like the information, hit the dislike. Send a comment. I'm doing some things. Hopefully I'm going to grow. Hopefully you're using the information that I'm giving you. Hopefully you're getting in the situation where you're diamond handing, you're getting in your mindset, your mentals to understand that this is a long-term investment strategy. But I'm going to give you some news today that's going to make you stand your ground. Okay. We're not in Florida, but you're going to stand your ground when people give you some FUD and all that other stuff, because you're going to know what's going on. You're going to have the information you're going to need to go ahead and shoo away those naysayers. So without any further ado, let me share the screen, because I am not a financial advisor. I'm here to give you some education. Hopefully I'm here to give you a little bit of encouragement too, but bam, I want you to see this. So the Ferrum network rolls out its staking as a service solution on Algorand blockchain. Why? Why are you so excited, Samuel? Why are you so excited? Why is In Divide trying to show us this information? Because it's all about to blow up. When things get to a normal level, this is the stuff you have to pay attention to. Interoperability is the next wave and this next structure that everybody's trying to now to move into. We got the blockchain, we got the Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, we got all these Avalanche, we got all these layers now. Now they got like these different cities, these different countries, just but by themselves in the ecosystem that they're trying to grow, they're limited. So what happens is blockchain tries to grow. What they're looking to do is now have all these different countries and concepts. See how we can actually create a conduit where these things actually work together, because if they're working together, they're stronger. There's a more resilient bond, because now you have an economy and not just the ecosystem, not just long rangers, bandits, banditos. You have a community. And once you start solidifying a community where all these networks work together, they become greater than the sum of just one individual part, because now they're a functioning ecosystem. Algorand sees this and they're out in front. Let me show you something. I'm gonna read you this here. Say, up until now, Algorand ecosystem didn't have a true staking as a service provider. By integrating its product suite, Ferrum has unlocked the ability for any project that uses the ASA token standard to tap into Ferrum's diverse ecosystem of blockchain as a service product. So anybody who's on Algorand right now understands that you can stake on all these different services. You can stake on Yieldly, Tiny Man, you got PackFi, you got AlgoFi, you got HumbleSwap. You start staking on these things. Algo stake, you got all these things. Now, they didn't have a true staking thing, a service right now, but you're still staking. So what this is right here is allowing the staking platform to be more robust, because now not only are you going to be able to stake here, you're going to be able to cross chain and go choose other places that you can actually stake. Maybe you find something else with a higher staking percentage on another chain, on Avalanche, or you go on Binance, you're going to be able to have so much of a broader range of things to choose from. And that is a game changer. If we're using the Algorand network and everybody understands how do these blockchains get paid, they get paid by transactions. And if people are transacting on Algorand, the more of the growth potential that it's going to have. So, according to Nick Odio, the executive vice president of partnerships and growth at Ferrum Network, this integration signifies a major stepping stone in Ferrum's request towards interoperability 2.0. This is the first of many integrations that Ferrum has completed with a non-EVM compatible network. And we're honored to have Algorand by our side for it. Additionally, as part of the integration, the Ferrum team will add its multi-chain token bridge to Algorand by the end of the second quarter of 2022. This integration is deemed a breakthrough advancement for blockchain interoperability, allowing seamlessly bridging and swapping of assets from a multitude of EVM compatible chains to Algorand and other non-EVM compatible networks. Now, you understand EVM means Ethereum virtual machine. So we'll be able to move towards Ethereum in this network because there's going to be bridges that's going to be attached to this. And this is the game changer that I'm telling you about, is because what's going to happen is we're going to go right down here, is that we're excited for Ferrum's go live on Algorand. This release allows users to select a staking pool based on their time preference and acquire juicy rewards, said Daniel Un, head of DeFi at the Algorand Foundation. You're going to be able to pick where you can put your money for the highest yield, highest percentage. That's boom right there. That's good for anyone in a network. So let me show you this. Boom, Flare received a super grant to develop a Bitcoin bridge. So a Bitcoin bridge is going to attach Algorand to be able to now connect to Bitcoin. Who's on Bitcoin? Not retail. There's very few retailers on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the big player with the big institutional money. They're all backing that. And if they are going to be able to tap into the Bitcoin network through Algorand, because that's going to be a bridge that they can cross, Algorand is going to set loose billions of dollars on the Algorand network, because these VCs and institutional partners that is attached to these bigger blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're going to be having the option to test the Algorand network. And one thing I know, once you test the Algorand network, you can go on to the Avalanche network, the Ethereum network, the Polygon network. I've been on all these chains. I like some of them, the concepts and stuff like that. But as a whole overall thing, Algorand network is one of the most intuitive, simplest, easy to use, secure processes that I've been in. Over the last 2 years that I've been working and moving through the crypto, I love Algorand. Do it have problems? Yeah, you know, everybody's going to have a problem with a rug pull, and people have to be able to find, you know, a solid strategy. And one of the things is you can't be lazy. You have to have a strategy, and you have to be able to look into what you're about to put your money into. But here, billions of dollars have been stolen from blockchain bridges in recent months because they often are more centralized and less secure. The blockchains they serve than the blockchains they serve. And it is therefore critical importance for the development of a liquid cross-chain future that now that new and more secure bridging approaches are developed. The bridge being built by Flare for Algorand is one such example. It will enable secure, trustless interoperability between algo to Bitcoin, plus other non-smart contract tokens such as Doge, Litecoin, XRP, and XLM. This is big. I want you to know this. We're building bridges at Algorand. And here also, everybody knows about this. Algorand is getting a bridge to Ethereum. So this was one of the first bridges announced, the London Bridge, that Algorand is going to be attaching to the EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. I'm telling you right now, the bridges are being built. The connections are being made. This market is not showing you the value of Algorand because the things and the instability that's going on in the market, everything is taking the shine away from what Algo is actually building. The war, the inflation, everybody is focused on this, while Algorand is just building with this hand. And by the time this is all over, by the time people's eyes are going to be put on and are refocused, Algorand is going to build a cathedral. It's going to build a company. It's like, I didn't know it was that big. I didn't know they were doing that. I didn't know that was already there. Yes, people, I'm telling you right now. I'm not telling you I bought the dip, but I'm telling you I bought the dip. You got to understand what's going on. And I'm telling you right now, not giving financial advice, but I'm trying to give you some of the things that's in the road, the road maps, the signposts that you go to drive into a destination. It shows you some of the exits. It shows you that this thing is like 15 miles ahead. I'm trying to show you that. I'm trying to show you that Algorand is doing something, but it's a couple of miles ahead. You're not going to see it. But I'm telling you right now, it's time for us to move forward with them diamond hands. And hopefully you like the information. Hopefully you understand what I'm telling you. Hopefully you're in a mood to have some hopium, because this is what this is. This is reality. And it's not going to all happen at one time. People are not going to notice all of a sudden, but it's being built. Feel the dreams, people. Build it and they will come. That's all I got to say. I'm out.